took the first entry, then 2 minutes later I changed my mind, got into a buy position, and then later on I switched my mind again because the market told me to do so. And guys, this is something that is really important for everybody to understand. Don't force your will onto the market. Let the market tell you what it wants to do, and switch sides if the market tells you to do so, okay? Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you all had a wonderful start in the new year. Welcome to 2023, guys. We're gonna smash it this year, I'm telling you. I hope you all had a wonderful party at New Year's Eve. I hope you're all healthy, wealthy, and I hope you all have written down your goals and dreams for the upcoming year, guys, because it's going to be big, guys. I'm telling you, there will be a lot of movements in the market that we can benefit from, and yeah, guys, you should better prepare yourself for the upcoming year. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun, I'm sure. Well, today was a beautiful day, guys. I took three trading decisions, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I decided to take these trades, so you understand my thought process. Okay, I shared these trading decisions with everybody for free in the free Telegram channel. Make sure to check the links down below in the description. Only use the links in the description, please. Don't fall for any scam in the comment section, okay? Be careful, guys. Only use the links in the description. So, what was happening today, guys? Well, today was my first trading day. Started a new account with $1 million balance. I want to settle back a little bit and don't trade this $8 million account because I had to throw a lot of volume into the markets to feed my risk appetite every time. So now I created a new account, started a new account with $1 million, and yeah, I took like 4.3% today with 3 trading decisions, and I'm going to go over all these trades today. Yeah, quick and easy, guys. So what was happening in here, guys? So let me check the 30. Let's start with a 30-minute time frame. Well, what was happening yesterday? Yesterday, unfortunately, I was not in front of the charts, man. I'm telling you, I would have 100% get in somewhere in here to trade this thing down because we had this beautiful liquidity sitting over there. Market slashed through it, rejected pretty aggressive. This would have been a beautiful entry, but I was not in front of my computer. Unfortunately, didn't took that trade, but it was a beautiful opportunity. Then today I got back in front of the charts, checked it out, and I was clearly willing to sell this thing as it is coming down, guys. You all know that. I feel more comfortable taking a sell position than holding a buy. But let me go into because today was a little bit hectic. I mean, I took the first entry, then 2 minutes later I changed my mind, got into a buy position, and then later on I switched my mind again because the market told me to do so. And guys, this is something that is really important for everybody to understand. Don't force your will onto the market. Let the market tell you what it wants to do, and switch sides if the market tells you to do so, okay? So let me tell you what was happening in here today so that you understand what I was thinking, guys. First of all, the market was coming down overnight, right? Coming up overnight. We had bullish structure. Then before New York session, around London session, the market started to come down, but it was more or less consolidating. And yeah, I was waiting for the New York Stock Exchange to open, and I was interested in sell positions, right? I wanted to see this thing continue to go down. So what I saw in here was a beautiful push to the upside. Market tricked a lot of buyers, and then we broke structure to the sell side in here before the New York session, like the New York session started already. So we took out some liquidity, but the New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 New York time, so I was waiting for that. Market came down already, then it was pulling some buys into the market again, broke structure, fake continuation, right? And then the market slashed with a lot of momentum at around 9:30, was coming down pretty aggressive, and this was the moment when I was pushing the button, guys. I was getting in here with my stop above, and I wanted to see this thing go down to the recent significant low. This was my main target, but I changed my mind pretty quick, because you can see in here we had this low, right? And after we took out this low, this last significant low from today, it got taken out and rejected aggressively, which I didn't like. So it was coming back too far. So I decided to close this position early, and I lost like 0.8% from my initial 2%. So I closed this position, reduced my risk, and then I hopped into a buy position, because then I was thinking, okay, we have big figure numbers somewhere in here around 11,000. So why not target this 11,000 area above these highs? Maybe it just wants to pull some more buys into the market, create more liquidity to then drop. Okay, so that's why I changed my mind, and I took this buy position in there. Had my stop below that. Then I was moving my stop as the market moved above this high in here, as you can see. So market moved above this high, you see that? And this was the moment when I moved my stop and reduced risk by 50%. So I took half of my position. I reduced my risk by 50% by moving my stop. After we took out this recent high that was created structure-wise, which is on the 1 minute time frame, but it is kind of significant, right? So liquidity is sitting above here. A lot of sellers had their stop there, right? And I was buying this thing, and I moved my stop as soon as we hit that liquidity. But the thing was turning around aggressively, so I had to close my buy position as well. So I closed this one just before it was stopping me out with another $7,000 or $8,000 minus, which is like 0.8%. Not really 1%, a little bit less than 1%. And then I pushed the sell button again, because I was like, man, I wanted to sell this thing and I want to move with the flow of the market. So I decided to take another sell position in there, put my stop above. And then when I saw the market really wants to come down in here and break structure to the downside, I decided to take another position into the market and move my stop a little bit to reduce risk. So I started with like 40 lots, and then I put another 20 lots with my second position in the market to the sell side. And then I cashed out around big figure number 10,800, which is just before this last recent low. And as you can see, the market I took that perfect exit. I shared this exit with everybody for free in the free Telegram chat, of course, with my student group as well. It was live all at the same time. But I'm not sharing all my trades with the free Telegram channel. I just share some of them with the free Telegram channel. So if you want to take all my trades, if you want to participate in all my trading decisions, then you have to become a student of the Genius Trade Masterclass course. So I took out these trades in here, closed my position, and ended up with an overall profit of 4.3% for the day, which is an amazing start in the year, guys. Let's see if we continue like that. But look how the market was just moving up from there. Like from this big figure number 10,800, it was just moving up and up and up. Then it took out all the stops above here and nearly hit 11,000, and then it starts to come down again, and now we have some more volume picking up in here. I think they want to bring the price down. It really looks like that. They want to bring it down. But it's like on Wednesdays, many times you see like this crazy whipsaws back and forth, consolidating. They don't know where to go, and it's a typical Wednesday. I was pretty happy that I finished my trading session and I made more than 43,000, which is 4.3% on that account in just 40 minutes, I guess. From 9:30 to 10:10 is 40 minutes. Let's say a little bit more than that, because I was in front of the charts. Like nearly 1 hour trading session, I made 4.3%, guys, and this is beautiful start, right? I hope you guys have participated on that trade as well. If not, make sure to check the links down below. If you need my help, if you want to talk to me personally, drop me a private message in Telegram. I'm there to help you guys, give you some tips, give you some advice, show you how I trade, and hope that I can help you to get on top, guys. Would love that. Take care, guys. Have a great day. And I'm going to travel now. Yeah, I planned a spontaneous trip with some friends. Just tonight, we decided to just get into the car and drive somewhere where it's nice. Anyways, guys, keep you updated and wish you a lovely rest of the day and a profitable trading week, of course. We talk soon, guys. Peace. What you know every time